Welcome to Understanding the Power Within. Simply, easily, beauty. It's our discussion for the day. For there is beauty in everything you see when you look for it, when you are expecting it. There's beauty in the trees, in the skies, in the waters. There's beauty in you. Many have a hard time seeing the beauty in themselves. Self-love, self-worth. You are beautiful, for you were created through the beauty of love by your Creator. You may see imperfections, as you would call them, but we see them as perfect and would ask you to see the imperfections you consider and call them perfect. Why, you would say, are imperfections beautiful? They are beautiful because they are who you are. They are beautiful because they are what sets you apart from another. If everyone looked the same and acted the same, we would not have a very exciting world to live in. We would be a little bored now, wouldn't we? But these imperfections, as you call them, are the ways of growth for the soul. When you see something and look for its beauty, you will find it. You will always find something beautiful when you are looking for the beauty of it. You will always find something undesirable if that is your focus. Beauty is a gift, and it is a gift given to everyone at all times, no matter the situation. How would you find the beauty in something that you consider undesirable? It starts with your thought, in rethinking what you are looking at, understanding it in a different way, looking at it through eyes of love, looking at it through eyes of caring, looking at it through eyes of learning. These are the lessons being learned by many. The lesson of beauty. You see someone that is hurt, and you see the beauty in the people coming to help. You see the scars on Mother Nature, and you see the beauty of the people coming to help. You see injustices done to others, and you see the beauty of people coming to help. You see a flower growing from the crack of something you never thought anything could grow from. You see a smile on the face of someone who has gone through something horrific, and they see you, and they know you are there to help, and they smile. Beauty is everywhere, and beauty is what we try to grow, and we grow it by looking through eyes of love, looking through eyes of kindness, looking through eyes of understanding, and allowing our soul to open and allow the love living within to shine outward. This is your true beauty. Everything else is a facade. The beauty of you is the beauty of your soul. The beauty of you is the beauty of the love. The beauty of you is the beauty of the kindness you are offering. Everyone has this beauty living within them. Everyone has an opportunity to show love, kindness, support, respect. Everyone has this living within. And to start with yourself, to start with the kindness and the love that you have living within, and offering this to you first and foremost in a most beautiful and giving way will help you to open to the others who are looking for beauty in their life. There are many different types of beauty, and if you look around, you can find them. Waking up in the morning and telling yourself that you are looking for the beauty in things today, that you are looking for the beauty in people today, that you are looking for the beauty in you today, will start your day off, and your day will move into beauty, move into love, and move into kindness. For you have set this intent at the beginning of your day, and you can keep this going throughout your day. And when someone asks you how your day is going, when someone can see how happy you are, tell them how you're doing this. Let them know how you start your day. Let them know that you see beauty in all, and let them know how you are seeing this beauty, that it starts within you and it grows to others. And as you do this, when you can share the beauty, you are planting seeds. You are planting beautiful seeds through the minds of others, and this beauty will grow as others share how they find the beauty in life. This is how joy, love, and peace are grown through this easygoing thought process, through the knowing that there's no need to judge anyone's situation ever, to know that seeking the beauty of a situation will always bring more beauty to your life. So when you start your day, look in the mirror and see your beauty. Look in the mirror and see to your soul the love that lives there, the light that lives there. Call it out, bring it out. Oh, the beauty of my soul. Today is a great day to show the world the love that you have living within me. And because this love lives within me, because you live within me, I am this beauty and this love that will show, shine, and grow for others to see. Thank you, dear soul, for being the true love and beauty that you are. Look in the mirror and see this beauty in you, for it is there. Look in the mirror and see this love in you, for it is there. Look in the mirror and feel the kindness you deserve, for you do deserve kindness and love and ease of mind. Look through the day for beauty, and beauty is what you will find. We wish for you love in your life, peace in your mind, joy in your soul.